is a special day. As you can see, it's another box. But this is a special unboxing. So let's get to it. Okay, this is a special order. These are my rear wheels. The company that make this is out of China, and it's sold by a contractor here. It's a company called OE Creations. They make replicas of vintage wheels. In this case, this is supposed to be a replica of the American Racing Torq thrust wheels, but at a cheaper price. And I ordered them. This one, just like the two front ones, this was ordered as a 17 by 8, but the company that bought and brought this to the United States customized this one for me. This one, he made it an inch wider. So he added an extra ½ inch to each side. So now it's a 17 by 9. And let me show you what it looks like from the side view. As you can see, this is the others were, the fronts are 17 by 8. This is 17 by 9. So it's an inch wider. Did it to added a little meat to both sides. Ground down the welds so you don't see it, and then they repowder coated it so it looks seamless, as you can see there. Now, the vendor told me today that he's no longer accepted any more of these wheels from China because of our issues with Russia and Ukraine. So he told me if I was going to get the fourth wheel and get it custom width put on it, I had to order it today or this week. So I bit the bullet and I ordered the fourth wheel. And he started on the wheel today. He said he's going to cut the lip off, expand it a ½ inch on each side. Like I said before, widen it to a 17 by 9. And sooner than later, I'm going to have all this stuff put together and put on the car. I might change this generic center cap. I might put a Ford one there. Or a Mercury one if I can find a Mercury one. But that's it for today. This is the third wheel. So I got 3. This one's an inch wider than the other 2. And as soon as I get the fourth wheel, I'll do an unboxing on that. And then the only thing I need to do is find the right wheel size. I mean the right tire size. And then get all the suspension work done. And put these on. So they should look sweet. So that's all I had to do today. That's all I wanted to show you. Till next video, I'll see you.